Alaikum. I hope that you are all fine. We are going to discuss chapter number 10, Test Yourself 10.1. Question number 1 is, what's the difference between Arrhenius base and Bronsted-Lowry base? Arrhenius base, as you people know, is a substance which dissociates in aqueous solution to give hydroxide ion. Dissociates means breaks down. You can see that in example, sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water and it breaks down into sodium ion and hydroxide ion. As it is giving hydroxide ion, that is why it is termed as Arrhenius base. On the other hand, Bronsted-Lowry base is a substance that can accept a proton from another substance. Proton means H plus ion. For example, you can see that ammonia is reacted with HCl and HCl will provide a proton, a H plus ion to ammonia. As ammonia is accepting the proton, that's why it's behaving as a Bronsted-Lowry base. Question number 2 is, what's meant by neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction is a reaction in which an acid reacts with a base and it gives you salt and water. You can see that in the examples, HCl is reacting with sodium hydroxide to give you salt, NaCl and water. On the other hand, sulfuric acid is reacting with sodium hydroxide to give you sodium sulfate, salt and water. In the same way, acetic acid is reacting with sodium hydroxide and is giving you sodium acetate, salt and water. Next question is, prove that water is an amphoteric species. Amphoteric species is a substance which behaves both as an acid as well as a base. When you will react it with a base, it will act as an acid, and when you react it with an acid, it reacts as a base. For example, you can see that water is there. Water is reacted with acid HCl and it will accept a proton, and that's why it will act as a Bronsted-Lowry base. On the other hand, when you will react the same water with a base ammonia, in that case it is going to provide, it will donate a proton, and that's why it will act as an acid.